Today, TikTok officially announced that it has shut down its services in the US due to the ban. We must wait for Trump to assume office to hope for this restrictions lift. Currently, it is inaccessible. So, is there any way to bypass this restriction and restore TikTok access? You can use a VPN tool to change your network node. To bypass regional restrictions, consider using tools like Clash, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, or Proton VPN. Let's try using Clash VPN. We open TikTok, and it is currently inaccessible. Then we change our network node from the US to a different regional location for better performance. Refreshing the page after selecting locations like Hong Kong or Japan restores TikTok. If you wish to make additional modifications to your actual location on the map, you can utilize PogoStick, a highly effective software that even enables you to create routes for automated walking. If you want to know more details, feel free to like and follow my channel for more videos. See you next time.